In this video, we are going to swap two numbers from variables, and given variables are a value 10 and b value 20. So swapping the number means now we put a logic, and after doing that, what will happen is which a value is here 10, it will be 20, and here we can see b value is 20, it will be 10. So right now we have a value 10 and b value 20. So after the swiping it will be opposite. So as you can see here, our a value is 10, b value is 20, and we have also here printed out number before swiping. Running the terminal, we can see. So in the terminal, we can see number before swapping. A is 20 and A is 10 and B is 20. And number after swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. So how this happened? How we swap the numbers? The logic is written here. And it is simply by creating third variable. So we have created here third variable that is C is equal to A. C value here is nothing, but after doing C is equal to A, it will be it's equal to a value. We can see a value is 10. So C is equal to A. By doing this, it will be C value 10. In this way, we can put value in C. So in next step, we can see A is equal to B. We know B value is 20. So by doing A is equal to B, A value will be 20. And the next one is B is equal to C. We know here C value is 10, and doing b is equal to c, b value will be 10. So here you can see that we have swapped the numbers with the logic by creating third variable. A value becomes 20 and b value becomes 10, and same thing we also here printed out after swapping value. And in the terminal we can see number after swapping. A is 20, b is 10. Before it was a was 20, a 10 and b was 20.